Hey guys, sorry I've been putting these reviews off for a while. This will be a model review of the NZG 150th scale Volvo Ec460CL. I know a lot of people actually have this model. It's a very popular model. This will be a custom model though. I'm taking the bucket off. And this model is stiff. Like, I've never had such a model so stiff, like you can't even move the bucket. First we'll start off with the tracks, of course. They're hooked, and they have track tensioners. I wouldn't really roll them just because that they're hooked, you know. And in the little baggie, they give you spare tracks. No real detail under it, but right here there's some detail. This model was customized a little bit so far. I've done some touches to it, and I'll point those out later. Just gotta do a 360 on it. Okay, so next we're gonna go to the cab. Cab is pretty nice. I took the mirror off. That's one of the customizations right here. And I will be adding a different mirror to it. Inside the cab is just amazing, and the work lights look really nice. Sure, it's so hard to see inside. Another customization I did was take this back railing off, because I just do not like that back railing. There's some railings right here, and there's etched detail. It's not etched through though. Really like the logos right here. One thing I hate on this model, because we're about to hit it, is the counterweight. I mean, I love the counterweight right here. I do not like this. Why would you put a counterweight system on it, you know, if you're not gonna make the counterweight detachable, you know? That's just one thing I hate. There's a really nice mirror on here. Everything's metal on this model. There's no plastic at all, basically. Well, unless you count the hydraulic lines. Very nice engine detail. There's some etched detail right here. Smokestack looks really nice, or just a stack. And there's one thing I forgot to show. There's another rear work light right there. It's actually pretty well hidden. Hydraulic fuel lines and everything look really nice. You know, like the caps up here and the lines back there. There's a detailed swing motor. And the lines just are amazing. And next, after we show this part, I'll go up to the boom. This is all just like decals. They're made to look like non-slip texture. And a metal handrail. Metal mirrors right here. I really like this mirror right here. You know, just because if you're looking over here, you can look at this side of the mirror. The steps are just amazing. They have 2 steps, but they should have put 2 more steps up here, because some people might. I don't know if some people might not be able to just walk up there without falling, but who knows. Another work light right there. There's some lights right here for the boom, and the cylinders are just amazing. Like, if you guys see any unpainted rivets, just tell me, but I don't see a single one. That's how nicely detailed this model is. Guard right here. And all these hydraulic lines are just plastic. Of course, there's some warning logos. Oh, and one other thing, just because I saw the Volvo decal, I really like the Volvo decal on that. It looks very industrial, putting a big Volvo logo on that, but they didn't put it on this side, of course. And the counterweight side looks really nice too. And there's one up there. Cylinders are just very, very nice. It's very, very functional. The buckets, as I said, is incredibly stiff, so just give me a second. Let me just get a digging depth after I do the bucket. The bucket is super detailed. There's a lifting eye right there. Let's go look at the bucket now. There's wear plates, and the teeth are just amazingly detailed. They're not sharp, I should say, but if you want to use them for a diorama with like rocks and stuff, if like you have a rocky soil and it's like how do I describe it? You know, like hard to break through. This will just break right through it. I mean, these teeth are like the actual real ones. Okay, now a digging depth. This is the digging depths. Let me get it can dig about 8 inches down if anybody wants an exact measurement. As I said, watch where you're grabbing with this thing. It's incredibly stiff. I really like how wide the model sticks out. And I'm actually thinking about buying some more models like this in the 48-ton range. Just let me know, guys, what models you think I should buy. I mean, this Volvo is a really nice model. I would recommend it. I think it's 136 at DHS Diecast. And I'm not or diecastmodels.co sells it for 136. I'm not sure how much DHS is, but I would say it's probably the same price. So thank you guys for watching my model review, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks.